No! You promised me this would be different, and now everything is falling apart. I trusted you, and I can't believe you would do this to me.
Sunrise lights up my day. Beach towels spread on the bay. Feet in sand, laughter in the air. Summer's here, it's everywhere.
I honestly think this is going to change the way everyone looks at AI.
I agree, but we have to be careful not to overhype it either.
Those entire clips you just saw were not real. They were fully generated by AI. And today, I'm going to show you the tool that made it possible. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Sora 2 just launched and everyone's talking about it. But here's the truth. While Sora 2 looks impressive, it still has major limits. It can't generate videos of real people. Every clip comes with a watermark, and it only gives you about 10 seconds of footage. Then there's Veo 3, incredible visuals, sure, but the customization is frustrating. You can't easily add your own voice, and clips are even shorter, around 8 seconds. Now imagine a tool that fixes all of that, a model that lets you upload your own image, use a voice of your choice, and generate longer, ultra-realistic videos that actually feel alive. This brand new platform is called Infinite Talk AI, an advanced lip-sync video generator that doesn't just match the mouth movements, but also syncs subtle head turns, facial expressions, and even body posture with your audio. Every frame stays stable, expressive, and free from distortion. No cutoffs, no awkward glitches. And the best part? You can generate videos of infinite length. This is more than just lip-syncing. It's a complete AI performance system built for storytellers, filmmakers, and creators who want cinematic realism without complex editing. I've tested it myself, and the results completely blew me away. Before we jump into this tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because once you see how Infinite Talk AI works, you'll realize we've just stepped into the next era of AI-generated video. Let's dive in. To get started, click the link in the video description and log in with your Google account. You'll land on this simple and user-friendly interface. To start generating videos, click on Infinite Talk AI from the top menu. You'll see two main modes, image to video and video to video. What you need is to either upload a picture or a video to lip sync, drop in your audio, type a simple prompt in the prompt box to guide this AI, and choose a resolution from 420p to 720p. I always recommend 720p for the most realistic results. For this demo, I will be using these images I created with Google Image FX, a free image generation tool. For the audio, I used 11 Labs V3, the most human-sounding model out there right now. I'm going to start by uploading an image of this man standing in the rain, talking on the phone. Then, I'll add an audio file for the lip sync. I'll select this one labeled Voice 1. For the prompt, I'll include a few expressive cues like head tilts, shoulders tense, since the tone of the audio is clearly angry and emotional. Next, I'll set the resolution to 720 pixels for more realistic output and hit generate. After just a few seconds, the video is ready. To save it, I'll tap this option and choose Download. Now let's take a look.
No! You promised me this would be different, and now everything is falling apart. I trusted you, and I can't believe you would do this to me.
The result is mind-blowing. The lip movements align flawlessly with the words, and it's not just the lips. The entire body reacts naturally. His head tilts, his posture shifts, and you can actually feel the emotion behind every word. It's like watching a real actor perform. Next, let's try something different, an animation-style video. With this tool, you can even create 3D cartoon characters with perfectly synced lips and natural body movement. Here's the image I'm uploading for this demo. The process is the same as before. Upload the image, add the audio, and set your prompt. For this one, I'll type stands up with her hands raised, scared. Once everything's ready, I'll click generate. A few moments later, the result is ready. Let's take a look.
Please, don't come any closer. I swear I won't do anything to hurt you. Just leave me alone. I don't know what's happening.
The lip sync is perfectly aligned, with no flickering or distortion like you often see in other tools. The body language, the expressions, the timing, it all comes together beautifully. You can see her react with fear exactly as the audio suggests. Now it's time to really push this tool to the limit and see if it can handle something even trickier, a singing avatar. I've tested a lot of popular tools before, and honestly, most of them fail here. Instead of actually singing, the avatars just speak the lyrics like normal speech. So, let's see if this one can do better. Here's the image I'll be using for the test. I've already uploaded a song I created earlier with AI. For the prompt, I'll type something simple. She sings according to the song's tone. I'll go with the higher resolution again and hit generate. Who else is as curious as I am to see how this turns out? Alright, the video is ready, let's take a look.
Sunrise lights up my day. Beach towel spread on the bay. Feet in sand, laughter in the air. Summer's here, it's everywhere.
Wow, this is impressive. The mouth movements actually follow the rhythm of the song, and you can see her expressions change naturally as she sings. It looks and feels way more realistic than what I've seen from other tools. This is the kind of result that makes you realize how powerful infinite talk AI is. After that, I decided to test the video-to-video option. I uploaded a short clip, added the audio, and skipped the prompt this time, since the original video already had enough motion. Here's the original clip. And now, here's the generated result.
Let me tell you a secret. This is the best tool you need.
The synchronization is spot on. The lips and expressions perfectly match the new audio, proving you with seamless lip sync results, whether you're using still images or full videos. And here's where it gets wild. Infinite Talk's new multi-feature lets you sync two characters talking to each other at the same time. Just make sure both faces are clearly visible. Upload your image containing two characters to lip sync. Then add the two audio clips, one for the left character and one for the right. After that, choose the order of who should speak first, and add a short prompt like talking with hand gestures. Then click generate and wait a few seconds. Here's the result.
I honestly think this is going to change the way everyone looks at AI.
I agree, but we have to be careful not to overhype it either.
Both characters are perfectly synced, taking turns as if they're having a real conversation. Their lips, gestures, and expressions match the dialogue naturally. It's like watching a real podcast show. I've tried out every AI lip sync platform you can name, and I've got to say, Infinite Talk AI ranks higher. The level of realism here is next level. It doesn't just move the lips, it reads the emotion, the rhythm, and even the intent behind the voice. Whether you're looking to start an AI-powered podcast, bring digital avatars to life, or make animated characters talk like real people, this tool gives you the flexibility and precision you need. I'm currently on the advanced plan, which goes for around $29, and honestly, it's worth every penny for what you get. So, what's your take? Could Infinite Talk AI be the next strong contender against Sora 2 and Veo 3? Drop your opinion in the comments. I'm really curious to see where you stand on this. And if this breakdown helped you discover something new, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I've got even crazier AI hacks coming up next that you won't want to miss.